Do you rent in Virginia? Since there's close to 1 million renters in the state, we bet that you do. Effective Coverage is dedicated to helping all the renters in Virginia obtain the very best renters insurance coverage at the most affordable price. Now, the scary part of the whole thing is that the majority of renters in Virginia do not even have a renter's insurance policy. Even more frightening is that there's a theft of property in Virginia every 3 minutes, leaving renters just like you exposed with no financial protection. From Fairfax to Virginia Beach, Effective Coverage provides the very best renter's insurance value at the most affordable price. The great news is that according to the Insurance Information Institute, Virginia renter's insurance is only $155 per year. That's over $20 cheaper than the national average. Call Effective Coverage and speak with one of our insurance experts, or, if you prefer, visit our website at effectivecoverage.com and get a quote for your policy that will likely cost even less than the national average. Now, Effective Coverage recognizes that citizens of Virginia are a proud people, ever since it was the 10th state to be admitted into the Union, and remains one of the best places to live in the country for over 200 years. But that's not going to prevent you from being vulnerable to a catastrophe. That's why you need Virginia renter's insurance policies to protect yourself from the inevitable disaster, whether it's a natural catastrophe or a burglar or theft. Virginia renter's insurance comes with many different coverages, and they can be complicated, but we can make it easy by boiling all the coverage into 3 main groups. The first group is your personal liability insurance. This part protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another person. If you accidentally left a stove unattended and you became one of the folks who caused one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that occur every year, your neighbor is going to want to sue you, even though you're both proud to be from Virginia and known as the birthplace of the nation. This policy will pay to defend you and the damages you cause other tenants and even the building owner, even if you're over at West Virginia visiting a friend. Next is your personal property coverage. Your furniture, clothing, electronics would all have to be replaced in the event of an explosion or other type of related catastrophe. These policies protect you should your property have to be replaced in the event of a covered loss. Now, the last piece of coverage on your policy is incredibly important. It's also known as the forgotten coverage on your Virginia renter's insurance policy because many folks just don't think about it. This part of the policy is called loss of use. It will pay for you to stay in a hotel after a covered loss. Even though there are some incredibly beautiful hotels in Virginia, you do not want to have to pay the bill to live there after a covered loss. Paying for a hotel after a covered loss is what loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy is for. Now, here's the best news of all. You might not have renter's insurance now, but you can have insurance in less than 5 minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that is Effective Coverage for renters. Why would you shop anywhere else? Just call Effective Coverage and speak with one of our insurance experts for renters, or, if you prefer, visit our website and get a quote for your Virginia renter's insurance policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.